Okay, so we're taking a look at Abel and Cole, who create, produce some really fantastic organic fruit and veg, and that's what they sort of primarily do. There's also some cakes and other bits and pieces. I just really, I guess, like to start by saying I've been so thoroughly impressed with this organization. I first came across them via some direct mail that they sent, an equally impressive direct mail brochure. But let's get straight into it. As you can see here, I suppose if I was to summarize this Facebook page here, it's just an awful lot of time, effort, energy, focus and attention has got into it. And I know that's a huge mouthful here, but it's just very evident from everything from, the way they've done their custom tabs, and when you look a little lower here, even the way they've done YouTube and Twitter, they've gone out of their way to make sure that it's bespoke and relative to what they're doing. Now, as we start moving down the page here, you begin to see their wonderful use of visual images. Here is a video on the left hand side, and you play some of these videos, and what they've actually done, which I like and I haven't seen a whole lot, is they've got quite a few how-to videos, on how to prepare things, but they just show somebody's sort of arms and fingers and hands sort of preparing something, as opposed to somebody speaking about them. Lots of wonderful photos, images, so they've really sort of maximized that potential. Here's the monthly recipe competition here, and as you budge down the page, they have a really nice blend of pertinent information with sort of lifestyle stuff, members of staff, family, friends, customers who have gone ahead and done this. And then the one other thing that wasn't lost at all with me is the fact that they constantly are adding links to various things. And this is what I was saying about the importance. Down here again, you've got to get people off Facebook. You take them away as much as you engage with them on the page as well. So you look here again, recipes that they're highlighting. How do you sort of learn more about the recipe? Well, you've got to go off the page. And then here they start stretching some of the pages out, which again, fantastic stuff. Link, another link. So this, folks, is a very, very clear example of how exactly to find that nice blend between adding really pertinent information but also providing links that will in effect get people off Facebook and onto the page. Now, I've also got another visual here. Excuse me, let me just get rid of this. I've got another visual here that I had that I want to show, because it actually shows let me just come over to it here. Here it is. Great. Okay, so this little gal here is the dog who goes with one of the members of staff on his foraging missions, and I just had a real chuckle out of that. And then his a client, I guess, and his daughter, so just again really adding some fantastic social proof to what's going on here. A member of staff here who actually went and met Prince Charles, won an award. So really just adding more pertinent information once again to what this organization is about. And then here, this was one example, and it wouldn't be me if I wasn't sort of challenging and cajoling to sort of try and take things to the next level. But here is a link where they talk about the the juice and the veg and all the rest of it, which again takes you to a page. Now, this is a clear example that I was talking about with reference to you can indeed monetize Facebook. You went from a link from there onto a sales page here, which has got all the various sort of things that you can set up the juice. If I'm going to be ultra critical, and I don't mean to be, but if I need to be ultra critical, and let me just open the page up a little bit more so you can see it a bit better here, I would have actually put an opt-in form on this page, because what I really feel becomes marketing gold is when you find out exactly what people are after. So somebody will come to this page because they've clearly seen an interest in it from the Facebook page, and there is no email box here. So you could say, for example, do this and get a voucher off your next sort of fruit and veg for juicing, or we'll send you our PDF on the top 10 juicing tips that we have. And then that way you might be able to see, hey, out of this database of X thousand of people, we know that this number are really interested in juicing, and you can start some little campaigns and all the rest of it. But as I said, I'm probably just being ultra picky, because I'm just so very impressed with this organization and what they've done with their Facebook page. So I hope this has been of use to you, and please do make a point of going to this Facebook page. I'm just going to, excuse me, I know your eyes are going to hurt. Look at this cheddar cheese here in the shape of a heart. It's just like fantastic. But we're just going to go to the top of the page. Sorry, it's going to create absolute havoc with your eyes, I know, but I just want to get to the very top so you can find the address. And in fact, rule number one, just click on timeline, which that'll take you there. Okay, so it is facebook.com/Abel and Cole, and that's ABELANDCOLE. So hope you've enjoyed that, and I very much look forward to another timeline review very soon.